Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I gonna show you the tips to check AirTag battery status and replace on battery cell on low. We can check AirTag battery status online using the Find My app on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Here are my two AirTags connected with my Apple ID. Let's enable Find My app. Open Find My app on your device. Tap on the items tag and see all paired items with your Apple ID. To check battery status, tap on the AirTag name and see battery icon next to Now. That's it. In the same way, you can also check on Mac's Find My app. Open Find My app from the Spotlight search and see the item connect with your account under the Items tab. Click on item name and see location on Mac. Here's the complete information for selected AirTag under the I button. And see the battery status online. That's the easy method to check AirTag available battery and replace it before it dies. On your AirTag, press down on the polished stainless steel battery cover of your AirTag and rotate anti-clockwise until the cover stops rotating. Remove the cover and the battery. Then replace it with another one. Once you replace it, attach stainless steel cover on it. Now, place the cover by aligning the three tabs on the cover with the three slots on your AirTag. Press down on the cover until you hear a sound. Rotate the cover clockwise until it stops rotating. That's an easy way to check the AirTag battery and replace it on time. I hope you are enjoying the tips and tricks of the AirTag guide. For more help, like this video, comment, and subscribe to get a notification for the upcoming videos.